But to my surprise, when I reached there, me and this Guyanese get away.
This Trinidad man come and ask me to teach him about my country. So I take him inside the kitchen to show him how to cook the chicken.
Yeah, what he saying? Curry chicken.
This chicken curry.
Curry chicken. We have oil refinery and soca chutney, Marshall Montano and true party. Curry chicken.
This chicken curry.
Curry chicken.
We have all money, we have territory, but most of all is still chicken curry. Why we fighting? Stop the fighting now. Why we fighting?
Now raise your hand and let we party. Everybody come take a drink with me.
Them say Cascado, we say Hassa. But one love.
This guy needs to listen. I might have to teach him a lesson. We have 5 CPL trophy. You ain't getting more in a hurry.
Your trophy that they in Trinidad, it was Shahrukh Khan did a movie. The one that we win so far, they're right here in Guyana. There we go again.
Curry chicken.
This chicken curry.
Curry chicken. We have Paula Duran, Bravo the champion. Look now I'm coming to start the action. I say curry chicken.
This chicken curry.
Curry chicken.
We are Shepherd Modi, Kevin Sinclair. We coming back strong to win this year.
Calling all TKR fans.
Yo, Amazon Warriors, assemble!
Curry chicken.
This chicken curry.
Curry chicken.
It's the same curry and the same chicken. So let me please stop the arguing. Curry chicken.
Chicken curry.
Curry chicken.
I could eat by you, you could eat by me. We could all live like one big family.